Hi there, snow enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the magical world of STEM, frozen bubbles, and snow crystals. Did you know that each snowflake is a unique masterpiece, like a tiny work of art? When you look closely, you'll discover the intricate beauty of these frozen wonders. In this fun STEM activity, we're going to create our very own snow crystals and document them in our exploration log. Let's embark on this icy adventure. But why is this STEM project so important for kids? Well, let me tell you. First, understanding snow and its unique characteristics can help us appreciate the wonders of winter. In Canada, where we're often far from the sun-drenched equator, the climate can be quite chilly. Speaking of cold weather, let's talk about blizzards. These powerful snowstorms can transform landscapes into winter wonderlands, but they can also be dangerous. Learning about blizzards helps us stay safe and prepared during extreme weather conditions. Knowledge is our best ally. So not only do we create our own snow crystals, but we also gain valuable knowledge about winter weather and safety. Let's embrace the magic of STEM and explore the wonders of winter together. Join us on this snowy journey.